In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the more basic debug tools that are available to you in the XTC Tools VS Code extension. Very similar to running, debugging is as simple as clicking this debug button. The only difference is it allows you to pause and inspect the program at various points of execution. So to start, let's insert a breakpoint at a place in the program that we find interesting. I'm going to put one here on line 18 just by clicking beside the line number. I'm then going to press debug instead of run, noting that my application is already built and my Xtag device is selected. So, as with running, we'll see that the terminal output is available in the terminal at the bottom of the screen, but as we hit the breakpoint, the entire application pauses. There are a few points of interest in this debug view that's now available. Firstly, the current line of code is highlighted, and this floating debug toolbar gives us controls to continue, restart, step over, to change the current place in the program. If we look in the left-hand panel, we can see the arguments to the function, we can see local variables, and also the hardware registers that are available on the chip. If we go down to the call stack view, we can see where we are, which function we're in, and where it was called from. And again, inspect the registers and variables at that point in time as well. You can continue to use these tools in order to diagnose issues with your program.